What's up guys, it's me Geek. So finally I bought some more stuff. This is my audio gear upgrade 4.0. I bought a blue pop filter for my Shure microphone. It gave me a lot of puss so yeah, here is my pop filter from blue for my microphone. Can it focus or not? Yeah, so here it is, as you can see that. And then my Audio-Technica microphone, where is go, here it is, my Audio-Technica broadcast stereo microphone, as you can see that. Yeah, my Audio-Technica broadcast stereo microphone. I'm really very excited, for this one also. Literally I'm very much excited. And then I bought also another preamp, Alesis preamp. Yes, the Alesis preamp, as you can see that or not, the Alesis preamp. To be honest with you, this seems quite good quality. Again, I don't know much about it, so yeah, I will doing the unboxing and review on all of these things. Yeah, now that's all. So make sure to subscribe and bye. I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you. Subscribe and bye.